That's really astonishing. Like all the lectures are planned 6 months before.
I
That's
hope it is
really.
scary also. I'm trying to scare you guys.
How do you think being a part of IPM gives an edge over students doing BBA, BMS, and like then pursuing PGP from IIMs? That's a big debate.
See, people who have done IPM tend to perform top of the charts to middle of the charts. People who have done BBA, BMS, they struggle a lot in the PGP classroom if they make it in first place. And even if they make it to the PGP classroom, they struggle on a lot of subjects, particularly of technical nature, because BBA, BMS are not that technically intensive, and they're kind of shallow courses. And as a result of that, see, I'm going to offend a lot of people with these responses. So I'm not sorry for that, although, but this is what I do mostly. But this is what is the fact. If you look at the curriculum and if you look at the depth of those things, uh, understand another thing. See, sometimes people think that BBA is listing accounting as a subject. IPM is also listing accounting as a subject. You also studying microeconomics, macroeconomics. We also study microeconomics, macroeconomics. So there is a huge difference in the depth and the quality of that discussion and teaching. Right. When I was in my first year at IIM Ahmedabad, so one of my friends who could not get through, and he was studying at Lucknow University MBA, he came to Ahmedabad for something, and he came to my room and he looked at my subjects and my subject books, and he says, "Oh, so you are studying marketing Kotler? We also study marketing Kotler. Oh, so you are studying microeconomics Pendick field? We also study Pendick field. You are doing a course in Excel. I'm also doing a course in Excel." So there is just a perception of that IIM Ahmedabad is better. Lucknow University MBA is all the MBAs are the same. So he was trying to probably console himself. He went on a rant for a while. After a while, I was kind of pissed off, and I asked him, "Okay, so तुमने भी Excel किया है, मैंने भी Excel किया है. Both of us have done Excel. Let me ask you something. What have you done in Excel?" I think it's been 15 years or so, but the highest function in Excel that he had seen was if. He had no idea what is H lookup, what is V lookup, what is pivot table, what is sum product, what is the macros writing in Excel. And he thinks that he has done an Excel. I have also done an Excel. All in Excel he has done is one class, they were just opening a file and saving a file. Another class, they are just learning how to sum the column and how to sum the row, how to execute the bottomless formula. I mean, it's comedic. Just because you are studying economics and I'm studying economics, it doesn't mean we are studying the same thing or same level or same interaction level, right? And that is what BBA, BMS generally does to people. It gives a fake, false confidence that, yeah, I'm doing BBA, so MBA is the logical next stop. And then they realize that they are good for nothing, because there is no mathematics rigor, there is no statistics rigor, there is no IT languages rigor. IBM has courses like C, C++, Java, and big data analytics kind of courses. Whereas I'm sure that simple statistical analysis is lacking with the BBA, BMS kind of programs. So they actually struggle a lot in most of the courses, and not only courses, in terms of real performance in the industry also. BBA is kind of a useless, it's a money minting industry, therefore it sells, but it's a useless degree. I'm sorry if somebody is already enrolled, but you are gone.